House of the Elements explores the concept of space as a living entity, where time is measured not only by human presence and daily rituals, but also by the growth and nurturing of plants, and the passage of light throughout the day. The original house was built in the late 19th century, and from the street appears to be a typical late-Victorian terraced house. The front reception room, featuring its original fireplace and plaster moldings, has been retained. The architects addressed the cellular arrangement, which had made the rooms feel cramped and disconnected from each other, by opening up vistas between rooms and towards the garden and green elements. From the open-plan ground floor living space, it is possible to look upwards through the whole house and towards one of a series of large roof lights that flood the spaces beneath with natural light. Balconies, landings, and windows open onto the void, again helping to bring daylight deep into every room and opening up unexpected vertical and horizontal connections throughout the house. In the heart of the house, above a retained period fireplace that serves as a remnant of the home's past spaces, a specially commissioned artwork by SODA, an Italian artist based in London, rises through the void. This takes the form of a series of fractured geometric planes that move upwards through space, creating a play of light and shadow that changes hour by hour. The green wall is placed under a large glazed skylight that offers the planted space the full spectrum of sunlight, with sun-loving species placed closer to the light and plants requiring more shade towards the bottom. A rainwater harvesting system, fed from wastewater from the skylight and supplemented with nutrients, supports this lush sensory feature that fills the space with natural color and textures. The green wall emphasizes connections with the garden beyond and provides pleasing contrasts with the crisp geometries and surfaces that characterize the home's interiors.